Join Frank and I today as we visit the Wisconsin Automotive Museum in Hartford, Wisconsin. It's the largest auto museum in Wisconsin, featuring a display of classic and vintage autos, including a number of Nash automobiles, some vintage campers, a steam locomotive built in 1913, and the largest assembled group of Hartford-built Kissel luxury automobiles. The museum has a large and extensive collection where you can explore automotive history. You will find over 120 vehicles at the Wisconsin Auto Museum. Are you aware that automobiles were once built in Hartford, Wisconsin? The museum features Kissel cars which were made locally and manufactured in Hartford from 1906 to 1931. With Kissel manufacturing these cars in Hartford, they were the second largest car manufacturer in Wisconsin. Of the 27,000 produced, fewer than 150 are known to exist today, and there are over 25 currently exhibited at the museum. The Nash Car Club of America has space within the museum dedicated to the Wisconsin-based vehicles and related memorabilia. Nash began in Kenosha, Wisconsin when the Thomas B. Jeffrey Company was purchased by Charles Nash in 1916. In addition to all these great automobiles, you will also find displays that include Wisconsin road exhibits, gas pumps, porcelain signs, license plates, oil cans, vintage RV trailers, and more. The most famous Kissel model was the two-passenger Speedster, nicknamed the Gold Bug. Gold Bug owners included celebrities of the day, such as Amelia Earhart, Mary Pickford, Douglas Fairbanks, Greta Garbo, and Fatty Arbuckle. A wide selection of models including four-passenger coupes, touring cars, fire engines, and trucks are part of the collection. For you race fans, you will find that the Southeastern Wisconsin Short Track Hall of Fame maintains a special display area for their vehicles in the museum.
Even an airplane.
The museum is home to and showcases the 1913 number 1003 Soo Line steam locomotive along with other railroad artifacts.
If you enjoyed our video, be sure to give us a like, and we would appreciate if you would subscribe to our channel. It costs you nothing and it really helps us out.
Oh, happy day. Oh, happy day. The sun is shining on my way. Oh,
Cruising with purpose, sailing free, discovering wonders, you and me. Easy dream adventures, faith our guide, God's love surrounding us worldwide. Surrounding us worldwide.